Hi, friends! Welcome to Bright Learners. Today, we're learning 100 simple sentences to talk about yourself in everyday English. Perfect for beginners who want to sound natural in North America. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's start with the basics. How to introduce your name and where you're from naturally. Hi, I'm Jessica.
Hi, I'm Jessica.
You can call me Jessie.
You can call me Jessie.
My name is Liam.
My name is Liam.
Please call me Liam.
Please call me Liam.
My English name is Priya.
My English name is Priya.
I am from Canada.
I am from Canada.
I come from Toronto.
I come from Toronto.
I live in a city.
I live in a city.
I live in a small town.
I live in a small town.
I moved here last year.
I moved here last year.
I live in an apartment.
I live in an apartment.
I live in a house.
I live in a house.
I live with my parents.
I live with my parents.
I live alone.
I live alone.
I am 18 years old.
I am 18 years old.
I'm in my early 20s.
I'm in my early 20s.
I'm in my late 30s.
I'm in my late 30s.
I will be 21 next month.
I will be 21 next month.
I was born in 2020.
I was born in 2020.
I was born in Tokyo.
I was born in Tokyo.
Now, let's talk about who you really are. What do you like to do? What's your personality like? I am a shy person.
I am a shy person.
I am very outgoing.
I am very outgoing.
I am a quiet girl.
I am a quiet girl.
People say I am friendly.
People say I am friendly.
I am an easygoing person.
I am an easygoing person.
I am always optimistic.
I am always optimistic.
I am a good listener.
I am a good listener.
I like music.
I like music.
I love reading books.
I love reading books.
I enjoy watching movies.
I enjoy watching movies.
My hobby is swimming.
My hobby is swimming.
I am interested in photography.
I am interested in photography.
I like playing video games.
I like playing video games.
I love traveling to different places.
I love traveling to different places.
I am a big fan of Marvel movies.
I am a big fan of Marvel movies.
I enjoy cooking for my family.
I enjoy cooking for my family.
I like listening to pop music.
I like listening to pop music.
I like simple things.
I like simple things.
I enjoy quiet time.
I enjoy quiet time.
I enjoy my free time.
I enjoy my free time.
What about your daily lifestyle? From your favorite food to the sports you love. I like playing basketball.
I like playing basketball.
I go jogging every morning.
I go jogging every morning.
I am good at soccer.
I am good at soccer.
I like yoga.
I like yoga.
I often go to the gym.
I often go to the gym.
I like hiking on weekends.
I like hiking on weekends.
I don't like ball games.
I don't like ball games.
I prefer indoor activities.
I prefer indoor activities.
I like Japanese food.
I like Japanese food.
My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite drink is orange juice.
My favorite drink is orange juice.
I love spicy food.
I love spicy food.
I don't like coffee.
I don't like coffee.
I prefer tea to coffee.
I prefer tea to coffee.
I am a vegetarian.
I am a vegetarian.
I have a sweet tooth.
I have a sweet tooth.
I like eating fruit.
I like eating fruit.
I can cook some simple dishes.
I can cook some simple dishes.
I like spending time with friends.
I like spending time with friends.
I go to school by bus.
I go to school by bus.
Everyone has a goal. Let's talk about your work, your studies, and your dreams for the future. I am a student.
I am a student.
I study at the University of Toronto.
I study at the University of Toronto.
My major is English.
My major is English.
I graduated from New York University.
I graduated from New York University.
I am learning English in ESL class.
I am learning English in ESL class.
My favorite subject is math.
My favorite subject is math.
I want to improve my speaking skills.
I want to improve my speaking skills.
I study hard every day.
I study hard every day.
I am a teacher.
I am a teacher.
I work as an engineer.
I work as an engineer.
I work in an office.
I work in an office.
I work for Google.
I work for Google.
I am a freelancer.
I am a freelancer.
I am a stay-at-home mom.
I am a stay-at-home mom.
I am looking for a job.
I am looking for a job.
I have worked there for 3 years.
I have worked there for 3 years.
I work in the marketing department.
I work in the marketing department.
I love my job.
I love my job.
I am a hardworking person.
I am a hard-working person.
I enjoy learning every day.
I enjoy learning every day.
Finally, let's talk about the people we love and wrap up our introduction. There are 4 people in my family.
There are 4 people in my family.
I have an older brother.
I have an older brother.
I have a younger sister.
I have a younger sister.
I am an only child.
I am an only child.
I'm the same age as you.
I'm the same age as you.
I am the eldest child in my family.
I am the eldest child in my family.
I am married.
I am married.
I have 1 child.
I have 1 child.
I have 2 kids.
I have 2 kids.
My family is very close.
My family is very close.
I have a pet dog.
I have a pet dog.
My cat's name is Milo.
My cat's name is Milo.
I like to help others.
I like to help others.
I'm happy to be here.
I'm happy to be here.
That's all about me.
That's all about me.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening.
It was great chatting with you.
It was great chatting with you.
I hope to make friends with you.
I hope to make friends with you.
Let's keep in touch.
Let's keep in touch.
See you later.
See you later.
And that's it. Great job. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more daily English practice. See you next time. Bye.